Hey guys, it's Andrew with the No Limit Group, and today we're out front of our next house we'll be flipping. And we've called it the Skittle House, and I'm just gonna have to take you inside to show you for yourself. So why don't we just go right in right now. And this, friends, is why we call it the Skittle House. There has to be 8 to 10 different highlighter colors in here. All right guys, so we are standing in the kitchen right now, and before I kind of tell you what we're gonna do here, kind of wanted to tell you a little bit about the house. So right now, the house sits at a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath with an unfinished basement. We're gonna go ahead and change it to a 6-bedroom, 4.5 bath, fully finished basement with 2 walkout doors, fireplace in the basement. It's gonna be awesome. Now, as far as the kitchen goes, a lot of this is gonna have to go, if not the whole thing. From what we've been thinking, we're gonna go ahead and take out the center island hood, put all new cabinets in, put a peninsula coming across here, bump this pantry into the garage so we have a nice flush wall, and even open this area up more. Being a 6-bedroom house, it's gonna cater to a larger family, and we want that kitchen to do the same thing. All right guys, here we are. We're in the dining room, and on this whole main floor, we're gonna be ripping up all this purple floor and laminate and carpet, and we're gonna make this whole thing oak flooring. We're also gonna go ahead and get rid of these ugly columns, and we're just gonna open this whole wall up. Let's go upstairs. All right, let's go in the bedrooms, and I'll chat with you about what we got going on in these rooms. So, other than the very bright color, there's not much we really need to do. We're gonna go ahead, repaint all the walls, take all this random stuff out, and put new flooring, and really that's about it. And as you can see, these rooms are really big. All right, so we are in the upstairs hallway. We're gonna go and take a look at the master suite. Now the master suite, you'll see through this window here, we got a 4 seasons room that goes into a master bedroom with a bathroom. And all this glass tile here is actually the other side of the master bath. Here is the master bath, a little dated maybe, but we still got great bones on something to work with here. We're kind of torn on what we're gonna be doing, whether we're gonna make this the master bath slash master closet and keep the fireplace in here, and make the 4 seasons room an actual bedroom. There's gonna be a lot of work no matter which one we have to do, so we're trying to decide which one's gonna make more sense for our budget and for the next homeowners. We got a lot of decisions we need to make. We're gonna try to figure them out over the next week, because we got guys starting to demo tomorrow. All right guys, so we are in the basement. As you can see, it's completely unfinished. We got a lot of area to work with. On the back side over here, we're gonna go ahead and make this another bedroom with a full bath. That's gonna give us our 6th bedroom and our 4th bath. We also got very large walkout doors, which is great. Brings in a lot of sunlight and gets you in the backyard pretty easy. Over here, since we got shorter ceiling height, we may not finish this area off. We may just make this all storage so the next homeowners have a lot of area to put their stuff. Mind you, this is gonna be a 6-bedroom house. It's gonna need some area for some stuff. And then over here, this will kind of be the rec area. Maybe have the couch and TV sitting this way or this way. We're gonna have this fireplace nicely framed out and nicely finished off. This area here, I don't know what the heck they had going on here, but we got a recessed area here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna frame this up and put a little subfloor in, and then carpet it, just carpet the whole basement. All right guys, so we kind of walked you through the whole inside. Man, there are a lot of colors. I almost hate that we're gonna have to go ahead and paint over all of them, but we have to if we're gonna sell this house. Now we're on the outside, and we don't have to do too much to this outside really, but it is in the need of painting. And you can see, I mean, the paint is literally just peeling off the siding. So the guy's gonna go ahead, paint the whole house. We got a little bit of exterior work that needs to be done, a little bit of shingle work, a little bit of brick painting here and there, but for the most part, the outside isn't gonna be too bad. All right guys, so that's a wrap. So don't forget to like and follow us for our next episode. I gotta go guys, I'll see you later.